Alright, let me be fully transparent. Just for a second. This video isn't hype and this video isn't theory. And this isn't one of those AI will change everything someday conversations. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to create realistic AI influencers using a platform called Higgsfield and how these influencers can be monetized today. No camera, no filming yourself, no audience required. If you're even slightly curious about AI creators, UGC or automated content, this video is worth your time. So before I explain anything, watch this. Look at the facial movement, look at the lighting. So look at how this feels natural. Look at how natural this feels inside a social feed. If I didn't tell you this was AI, most people wouldn't question it. This is not a real person. This influencer does not exist. And the entire clip was generated using Higgsfield. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how this was made and why platforms don't care that it's AI. So what we are building. So here's the goal for today. We are building an AI influencer that looks realistic enough to blend into TikTok, Reels and Shorts. Can generate unlimited short-form content and can be monetized directly through the platform. This isn't about becoming famous, it's about building a reputable AI content asset. That mindset shift matters. Why AI influencers matter? In 2026, attention is currency. Brands don't care if content is human, they care if it converts, retains and performs. AI influencers solve three big problems. They don't burn out, they scale infinitely and they stay consistent. You don't miss posting days, you don't deal with filming fatigue, you don't reshoot content. Once you understand that, this starts to make a lot more sense. What is Higgsfield? So what exactly is Higgsfield? Higgsfield is an AI influencer studio that combines character creation, AI video generation, and a built-in monetization system. Instead of stitching together 5 different AI tools, everything lives in one place. I'll walk through it live so you can see exactly how it works. Right now, when you look at AI influencer, the AI influencer on Higgsfield, it's a very dynamic workflow, and I believe it can really help you with achieving your goals. When you go to Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio, right, you see how you can create a character. So I have some characters I had made. You have Finley, you have Bela, you have Jerry. The more you create characters with Higgsfield, the more they give you a character with a name. Okay, so they have Amari. I made her using these presets that you can see on the right. Female, I gave her an African touch. This skin tone, she has purple eyes. She has vitiligo skill conditions, you know. Right now, guys love people with vitiligo. So yeah, you tell me in the comments what you think. So you have other creators I had made, other influencers. You have Madigan. You can also make young children as influencers. This is Fletcher. And this is Hollis, the AI influencer. And then you have Neil, the AI influencer, who is I think she's a what do you call her? Let me see. She's an iguana. She's an iguana female with vitiligo. I have Luck. Luck is a mantis. So and then you have Drew. Drew is a mantis also, a black mantis. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I was making. Creating your AI influencer. Inside Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio, the first step is creating a character. So you control the facial structure, the style and aesthetic, overall influencer vibe. What immediately stands out is realism. Notice the subtle facial motion, the clean lighting, and expressions that don't feel robotic. A lot of AI tools fail here. So this one doesn't. This is literally the exact process I used to create my AI influencer. You can go minimal or very stylized. Generating content. Once the influencer is created, generating content is simple. Higgsfield is optimized for vertical short form, platform native pacing, and clean framing for mobile fields. You can generate clips daily or batch weeks of content in advance. This alone removes one of the biggest bottlenecks creators face: consistency. So why this platform performs? Here's something important. Social algorithms do not check content is AI, if a face is real, or who filmed it. They only measure watch time, retention, engagement. If people stop scrolling, the content wins. Here's something important. Social algorithms do not check if content is AI, if a face is real, or who filmed it. They only measure watch time, retention, and engagement. People stop scrolling, the content wins. That's why AI influencers work. They're built specially for that environment. So step 2, monetization. Higgsfield Earn. Now let's talk about the part most people care about: money. Higgsfield has a built-in program called Higgsfield Earn. You earn by signing up, uploading AI influencer content, and staying consistent. You don't need brand deals, a big following, or external monetization. The platform rewards participation directly. Realistic use case. This isn't life-changing money overnight, but it is realistic money. The AI influencer already helps cover software subscriptions, creative tools, and production costs. And because it's AI, it works even when I'm not actively creating. That's the real value here. Why this is still early? Most people wait until something is saturated. Right now, competition is low, curiosity is high, and brands are experimenting quietly. This feels like early TikTok before everyone took it serious. Learning now puts you ahead later. If you want to experiment with AI influencers while the barrier to entry is still low, create your AI influencer here and explore monetization here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Kiddy Studios, we out.